If you want to insert your SIM card or SIM cards into POCO X8 Pro, then first of all, we're going to take a look at the bottom of the phone. Then in here, we should be able to find this hole over here. So on the SIM tray, you can find this hole. We need to use the SIM eject tool in order to put it into this hole so we can pop out the SIM tray. So we're going to put it in over here, just like that, and then just push it into the phone with a little bit of pressure, and then the SIM tray should slightly pop out. You can use your fingernails or fingers in order to completely remove the SIM tray from the phone. Once you do that, we need to, of course, insert our SIM card. We need to match the shape. So over here we can see that we have this cut part. If I take a look at the SIM tray from this side, we can see that here we have this cut part, so we just need to match it. So I'm just gonna put it in quite easily, just like that. There we go. Then on the reverse side, we should be able to do exactly the same thing. If you have a second SIM, of course, then we can just put it in just like that. Make sure that SIM cards are properly inserted. They should not stick out of the SIM tray at all. And then we're gonna put it back into the phone. So just slide it back in with your finger. Just push it all the way in and make sure that the SIM tray does not stick out. And that is pretty much it. Leave a like and subscribe.